Currently at Home Depot shopping for a new living room rug. Ronnie went to go get another cart because we thought the area rug would fit on this cart, and it didn't. So currently stuck in the situation while Ronnie gets back with another cart.
Please ask a member of management for assistance.
So waiting on Ronnie to come back with a bigger cart. Currently at Home Depot shopping for she comes around the corner with a cart. So we got a bigger cart for the area rug. All right, honey, let me help you.
Now that you're looking up, I can see it in your eyes that lately it's been tough. But now the sun is rising, and we're new people. Let's be new people. There's summer. Don't let me down, down, down. Don't let me down, down, down. I wanna be up, 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 so high. 'Cause I've been down, down, down. I've been down, so down, and now I'm done. I'm aiming for the sky. Don't let me down.